So in this video, we're going to be looking at some more examples of completing the square and then solving the quadratic equation. So the first one, we have x squared take away 2x take away 1 is equal to 0. So let's go straight in with completing the square. We'll have x take away 1, half the minus 2, squared. Take away 1 squared is 1. Then we've still got the take away 1 on the end. Okay, so the x squared take away 2x becomes x take away 1 all squared take away 1, and then we've still got the minus 1 equals 0. Okay? Right, let's tidy that up. So minus 1 take away 1 is minus 2. Then add the 2 to both sides, and then square root both sides, bring in the plus minus. So 2 is not a square number, so it becomes plus or minus the square root of 2. So we get some thirds here. And then we add 1 to both sides. Okay, so 1 plus or minus root 2. And that's our two answers. You can obviously write them out as 1 plus root 2 or x equals 1 minus root 2, if you prefer, but it's perfectly fine writing it like that. Okay. So number 2, we have x squared plus 4x take away 1 is equal to 0. So complete the square, x plus 2 squared, take away 2 squared is 4, then we've still got the take away 1. So tidy. Okay, then we can add 5 to both sides. And then square root both sides. Now 5's not a square number either, so we get plus or minus root 5. And then we can subtract 2 from both sides. So minus 2 plus or minus root 5. These are our solutions for number 2. Number 3, x squared plus 10x plus 22 is equal to 0. So complete the square, we're going to get x plus 5 squared, take away 5 squared, plus the 22 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 squared minus 25 plus 22 is minus 3. So add the 3 to both sides. Square root both sides, bring in the plus minus, so plus minus root 3. And then subtract 5 from both sides. So minus 5 plus or minus root 3. And so that's answer to number 3. Okay, so last one. X squared take away x take away 7 quarters is equal to 0. So complete the square, x and then half of 1, so take away minus a half squared. Take away that squared, so take away a quarter, take away 7 quarters is equal to 0. So let's tidy. Minus a quarter take away 7 quarters is minus 8 quarters. 8 quarters is 2. So we get minus 2 is 0. So add 2 to both sides. Square root both sides, bring in the plus minus. So plus minus root 2. And then add the half to both sides. So we get that x is equal to 1/2 plus or minus root 2.